There we go. My name is Constance.
Back at Alton Towers, and this time we're staying in the hotel, aren't we?
Yay, we are.
So this is going to be a bit of a fun one. We're going to be showing you what it's like to actually stay at the hotel, the room we've got, all the benefits and the perks of the hotel, and should you stay there. Let's find out. Right, shall we get ourselves in then?
Go on then.
Aren't we?
Oh, Captain.
Heading up to the room. This is a bit of a feature, isn't it?
Yes.
Ooh. So you do get some different theme tunes for different rides in the lift. And we like to guess which one. I'm going to go Oblivion. It's always gently down in here.
Oblivion.
Oh.
It's Galactica, isn't it?
Is it? Is it Curse? No. Gloomy Wood? It's Curse.
Yeah, it is.
It's a so quick, I don't smoke. Down to the room. What kind of room have we got? There's only one kind of room we're going to have, isn't there?
Yeah, the bear room.
The bear room. So let's have a look then. Give us the guided tour.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Just a little bit of a teaser there. So this is one of our favourite rooms at Alton Towers, isn't it?
It is.
We absolutely love it. I'd say it's about mid-range.
I'd say so.
Yeah, so do you want to give us the full tour of our favourite room?
So, you do have the bathroom first of all. It is actually really nice.
It is a really nice bathroom, to be honest. It's got everything you need. It's showers,
cool.
nice little bit of theme in there.
What's that? Shampoo and body wash that you do get as well.
Oh. It says it's always, I always use it, it's always fine for me. Nice big sink there. Always plenty of towels in there as well.
Always. And you can ask for more as well if you scan the little QR code somewhere.
Which we will show you. There you go.
Information available 24/7. So if you scan that, you can like basically text them and ask them to bring more up, which is really good.
Really good, isn't it?
Iron, little cot, tea making facilities. If you're staying,
we do love these biscuits, don't we?
Yeah. Top tip: if you are staying 2 nights, right, put them in your bag.
Or eat them, yeah, and then you get more.
They won't replace them.
Yeah, they won't replace them. So you do always need another. And they usually give you the chocolate biscuits the next day, don't they?
They do the chocolate cookies.
Yeah,
so nice.
they're really nice. They are.
And we do have a fridge as well.
We do have a fridge, always handy and thingy. We always like to bring a bit of like grapes or sandwich or something ready for the next day, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
That's always a treat. The next section of the room, I suppose.
Nice full length Mary.
Hello. So we got the little ones, the little bunk beds.
Yeah.
These usually do light up, don't they?
Lights up, but it's not what they're lighting up today. There's a little tally there.
They do have a tally there. They do have a little bunk bed. There is some lights there.
There we go.
There you go, yeah. But it's a nice little thing. You could probably fit 2 adults there, I assume.
Yeah,
I'd just say
I
they're for
thought
kids,
so.
for the bunk beds, to be fair. Although, I'd probably still sleep in the top
I'd
bunk.
probably still sleep in one of them, to be fair.
If it was double, I think we would.
Yeah.
On to the main, the main area, Rav.
The bed.
And what else but the bear?
There we go. My name is Constance and I live in this amazing room. Please leave me here to continue to enjoy my adventures with Sir Algernon.
Yeah, unfortunately the bear isn't included with the room to take home, is it?
No, it's not.
We wish it was. But we do love that bear, don't we?
And sometimes some of them have like little bows on. One of them before had like a mace outfit on.
It did, didn't it? Yeah, so you never know what bear you're going to get, do you?
You don't.
Might even find us in here. Oh, it's got a lovely view, actually, out the front.
That's the car park.
Yeah, so that's the car park there.
They're the spaces if you've got the tree house, they are.
Yeah, so if you're in the tree houses or the private ones there, there's your parking space.
And then you do get a TV.
Lovely
as
TV.
well.
It is what it says with the room. You get everything, don't you? It's quite basic, but you get everything you need. But I do like the theming. I think it's fun. You can't beat a bear, can you?
You can't.
We absolutely love this room, don't we?
We do.
Absolutely amazing. Love the hotel. But we are going to be showing you all the different things around the hotel. I think we're going to some food in a little bit, so we'll show you that. In fact, shall we go now? What? Roller coaster restaurant, we can't quite squeeze a pudding in, can we? We are stuffed. But the one we saw earlier, if it's anything like Secret Gardens one, it would be lovely.
Yeah, it would be.
It would be. But no, really nice. I am stuffed, Ev. Oh, we made it back then, Ev.
We have.
We have done back to the Alton Towers Hotel. It was a nice little walk, wasn't it?
It was.
It's really nice actually walking through the park when it's a little bit quiet.
Yeah, it's so nice. It's so surreal though.
It is, isn't it? But it's the evening time activities.
So let's go get a drink in the bar.
Heather, your drink is available.
This is what I wanted.
There you
Thank
go.
You.
Your watermelon punch.
Cheers.
Oh, we are shattered, aren't we? We had a good evening, Ev.
A very good evening.
We've been in the bar, we've had some tea, haven't we?
Yeah.
Hung around with our friends.
It's
been a really good evening, to be fair. It's what the Alton Towers Hotel is about. But right, we need our sleep now, don't we? Yeah. Up early in the morning, we're in the park. Yeah. You ready? Breakfast time. We've gone for a little light breakfast today, yeah?
A light breakfast today, yeah.
I've gone for a classic full English, can't go wrong there. We're in the Secret Garden for breakfast. I like it in here.
I like it in here.
Yeah, it's always really good, isn't
Yeah.
it? There's a really good selection. They do cereals, toast, fruits.
Pastries, some little muffins as well, coffee, orange juice.
Sausages, bacon, beans and egg.
Yeah.
That's all we need. But no, absolutely everything you need to get yourself set up.
Oh, and it's a runny egg as well, get it.
Oh, what a treat. Breakfast complete, Ev.
Yes.
We're nice and full, aren't we?
It was actually really nice. It was better than last time.
Yeah, it really was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Only thing I'd say is I really wish I had the coffee machines back towers. They used to be there a few years ago.
Yeah, that's
got
the
the
only
coffee-
thing. The
coffee's
coffee's
a bit-
not the best,
We
but
have got a Costa Coffee just there that you can go and have.
yeah, you have. So
So, right, should we get ourselves in the park?
go on then.
Making our way downtown to Alton Towers. God, I bet wrong. Anyway, there's another little hotel perk here, isn't
Yes, that's the goal.
there? That is the golf. So it is really fun, actually.
Yeah.
It's really good. 18 holes.
And wherever you stay on site, it's included within your stay.
It certainly is. I definitely recommend. Definitely worth having a go. Maybe an hour. It's open usually till an hour after park close as well.
Usually, yeah.
So it's always worth looking at. Do you want to see what the golf's like? We have done a full video on that.
Yeah, so
I think
please
we're
check
due a
it out.
round 2, aren't we, though?
I think we are.
Because I think, did I win the last one? I think you won it,
I
actually.
think I want it, yeah.
Well, we need round 2, Ev. Well, so I can win the golf again.
Ding, ding, ding.
And just like that, we have made it to the park, haven't we, Ev?
Yes, we do.
So for anyone who's not hotel guest, you will have to go that way or use the monorail.
But if you're a hotel guest or a platinum annual pass, Merlin annual pass,
We
you can
get
go
to
through
use
the
this
hotel
one, and we get to go to one of the best areas first.
Yeah.
Nemesis.
Nemesis.
Really good perk, this, isn't it?
Yeah, I love this perk.
It can really save you so much time waiting for the monorail and going all the way around, can't it?
Yeah, or walking.
It definitely can. Right, should we get ourselves in then, Ev? Just like that.
We're in the park.
Magic. We've made it back after a long day, haven't we?
We have.
It's hard. But you know what? It's really nice to come back after a long day. Just to walk to the hotel instead of the car and drive home, and you can calm down and lie in our bed. Just like our friend Constance over here.
Yeah.
Seems to be having a nice little rest, doesn't he? Doesn't he? We have walked into him like this.
That's how the cleaner left him. I think it's hilarious.
I'm not sure what he's been up to today.
No, but
Looks like he's had a good one. Right, time for a rest, Dev.
yeah.
Well, we're ready, Hev, aren't we?
For dinner.
We've had a nice shower, freshened up. It is nice, isn't it?
It is really nice. It
Really
makes such a
refreshing.
difference, doesn't it, having a shower?
Such a difference at the end of the day, straight away after the party, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But as you say, we've got dinner tonight in one of our favourite restaurants on resort. Should we go down?
Come on then.
Desserts are complete.
Mine is.
Well, yeah, yours is. Mine isn't, is it? But mine's come with this lovely box that I can get to take it away with me for.
Oh, I absolutely love the puddings here.
Oh, it was so nice, wasn't it? But I am absolutely stuffed.
I am absolutely stuffed.
Oh, that meal last night was... Oh, I'm still full now, are you?
Yeah, me too.
Absolutely lovely. But the time has come for us to check out. Our stay is ending, but it's been a lovely stay as always, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has. It's been absolutely fantastic.
We love the Alton Towers Hotel, and there's so much benefits for staying here. Obviously, we know it's not for everyone, completely understandable, but we love it, and when you can, it's always a treat, isn't it?
It really is.
We just want to say a massive thank you to Fox Digital for organising this trip for us. But if you've liked this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe. My room.